Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I have a new recipe for you and it's a delicious Irish beef stew. And my ingredients are, I have stewing beef, beef casserole mix, 3 rooster potatoes, 2 large carrots, turnip, and 1 onion. So let's get started. So the first thing I've done is just put my cooker on a medium heat. And now we're going to add the stewing beef into the pot. And then we're going to cover it over with boiling water. So now we're just going to leave that to boil, and the beef is going to take approximately 2 hours for it to cook. So while that is boiling, I'm going to come over here and prepare my vegetables. So I'm going to peel and chop all of these vegetables into nice cubes. And so now there you can see my vegetables are all prepared. So I have the turnip and potato in nice cubes, and the carrots, and then I've chopped the onions also. So they're all ready for it to be added into the pot. So we're just going to have a look and see how the beef is doing. So you can see that it's all white foam on top. So it is boiling very well. So before we add in the vegetables, I'm just going to change the water. So I'm going to empty out all this water and then I'm going to add in fresh water. So there the water has just been emptied out. So the reason why I empty out the water is to remove any fats or salt that's in the beef that's gone into the water. So I'm just going to add in the fresh water now. So cover up over the beef. And so now we're ready to start adding in the vegetables. So first I'm going to add in the onions. And then the carrots. And the potatoes, and lastly the turnip. And so now we're just going to mix this all around. And then I'm just going to cover over the pot and leave that to boil. So we will have to keep checking back on it and adding more boiling water as the vegetables and meat absorb the water. We'll keep adding more. So I'm just going to check and see how it's doing after 15 minutes of boiling. So we're just going to give it a stir around. So the potatoes are starting to soften down, which is good because they will thicken up the water. So we're just going to cover it back over and leave it to boil, and then just keep on checking on it every maybe 30 minutes. So now it's been another 30 minutes of boiling, so we're just going to have a look, and you can see by looking at it that the potatoes are now nice and soft and they have thickened up the water. So what I'm going to do next is add in the beef casserole mix. Just going to add it in slowly and keep stirring it around until we can get the thickness. So I'm just going to add in some more and give it another stir. So just add in another little bit and then it should be thick enough after this, and then we're just going to leave it to simmer. So I'll just keep the lid off the pot and leave it to simmer for another maybe 15 minutes and then it should be all ready. So now it's been 15 minutes. So I just give it a stir around and everything is nicely cooked now. So all we have to do is serve up, and there we have our lovely and healthy Irish beef stew. And so there's our Irish beef stew all finished. And so to finish it off, I'm just going to add some ground black pepper. So you just add enough to your taste. You can add salt either. And there we have our recipe all finished. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a lovely day.